What is up, everybody? It has been way too long since I've made a video, but today I'm going to make something a little bit different. I'm going to be making my first ever gaming computer, and I guess I'll tell you what I've got, and I might put video of me building it in, or building the PC in this, or I might just put the finished product. I haven't decided yet. Yeah, I don't know. I'll figure it out. So, okay. First off, I have this keyboard and mouse. It was cheap, but I needed a keyboard and mouse, so I got it. I think it cost about 25 bucks. I got the NZXT S340 case. Has two fans in it, so I'm going to put these fans in it just to make it just to help the airflow in it. They'll light up too. They have LED lights, so I have those. Then I'm going to be using the Arctic MX4 for the CPU. CPU I got is the i5 4690. Oh crap, 4690K. Hopefully that didn't do any damage. That would suck. Then I got a Trion. I don't know if it's Trion or Trion. 100 by Aux. That's a SSD for my operating system. Then G.SKILL sniper RAM sticks. I got 16 gigs. So that's what I got there. Then to cool the CPU, I got the Cooler Master Hyper Evo, or Hyper 212 Evo, 212 Evo, whatever you want to call it. Okay. This is just an extra SATA cable for hard drives, because I got 3 hard drives just for future usage, whatever you want to say. So let's see. In this, I think I have a. This is just one hard drive. There's 2 of them. One's Western Digital black caviar. One's a blue. So same thing. Let's get this out of the way. I should have aimed this camera down, but I really can't right now. For my power supply, I got the EVGA Supernova G2, 750 watts. So that's pretty good. That's a pretty good power supply. Let's move this. And my motherboard. That's going to be hard to focus because it's bright outside. The motherboard is a Z97S. This is the Krait edition, whatever MSI Krait edition below. I have the GTX 970 gaming edition, and that is everything. I will possibly put some footage in here of me working on it, but we'll see. Okay, so my computer's finally done. Well, it's been done for like a week now, but I've been testing out before I actually show it. Anyways, you can see inside there's lights. This fan has a light. That fan has a light. Everything is put together. The SSD. Let's see if you can see that in here. Fans are going. I have these fans up here too. So everything's done. It's looking alright, I guess. I guess I could show you some gameplay. I'm not going to record it with my capture card. I'm just going to show you. I should probably turn the flash off the camera, but yeah, it looks pretty good right now. Let's see. You can see what it's running right now. This TV is only 60 Hertz, so can't go higher than 60 FPS right now, which sucks, but I didn't have the money to buy a more expensive monitor. Eventually I'll get there, and then I'll be able to play a little better, or play with yeah, I can make everything look a little bit better. Jesus, I can't talk. I haven't made a video in forever anyways. But yeah, I love the computer. I play it more than the Xbox and PlayStation 4, so it was worth it, I'd say. But yeah, I didn't have enough money to buy a new monitor, so I used my old TV I used for my Xbox and stuff. So yeah, eventually I'll put some gameplay up of this and try to start my channel back up and get going. It's just been a shitty year so far, and hopefully it just gets better. Anyways, have a nice day. Goodbye.